want to do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, you don't know it's a NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, you understand, I have this story I really want to cover now, and it's where some Jamaicans, you know what I mean, who on a cruise ship, you get me, I say, who fear them life with this virus thing and our people, and you know what I mean, this is just a little voice recording of them attack and thing, and I'm going to play this voice recording people and then give my views and thoughts towards the whole thing and thing, you know what I mean. So just going to listen to the voice recording, you know what I mean, to the media side who this female was trying to reach out to, you know what I mean, to let them know, look heads up on what really been taking place, because many people may not know, you know what I mean, we there on land and we may feel so, I mean, harsh and bad, but I tell you, it's rough on the cruise ship out there with a lot of Jamaicans and other people from other regions who are stuck on these cruise ship people. Honestly, I tell you, stuck in a cabin. So it's not an easy road. So we are going to play through and make us just hear the fullest of what really go on, people. So you know we understand.
My name is Alicia. I am currently on board Marilla Discovery 2. We're currently heading to Lisbon. We were in Jamaica a few days ago, refueling, and we beseeched our Prime Minister to allow us to come into the country because we were asked to ask for assistance from our families, everybody, just to find out if we could disembark, because it would have been better for the company if they could have disembarked us on that day before heading to Lisbon. But unfortunately, Andrew refused, and now we're heading to that direction. Honestly, it's very nerve-wracking for us because, as everyone knows, the pandemic that is going on is mostly over on that side, and nobody really wants to go over there. We disembarked all the Dominican Republic persons yesterday, so this leaves a feeling of wondering, why is it that we couldn't have been disembarked also? Why is it that we couldn't have been put in quarantine also? And it looks very bad on our government in regards to us, because it's like he refused us. And we don't understand why. We don't have any sicknesses on board. We don't have any illness on board. There's nothing on board to say that, okay, that's why he was refusing us. So I don't understand. We're very worried. And point of the matter is, we just wanted to go home. We're here, we just wanted to go home. We've been sailing around for weeks because all the ports were closed and everything, and we just thought that, being that we're Jamaican nationals, Andrew would have even tried in some way to accommodate us, prepare a facility for us, do something. We're not asking to just disembark and go straight into our homes. We're asking to disembark, be quarantine tested just like everybody else, and then released, because we are Jamaican nationals. And for us, it's really bad. And I am one of them right now. It really shook me up, because when I heard him saying no, I cried for days, and I'm still crying, because how can it be that our Jamaican government refuse us at a time like this? So we're just asking if there's anything that can be done. Still, we would appreciate it. Anything at all that can be done, it would be good for us, because we're still waiting. We're still hopeful. We don't know how we're going to get home at this point, when we're going to get home, because of all the airports and everything being closed. So any assistance would be appreciated.
Now, I am very concerned and I'm very worried.
All right.
Given the fact that we're going
with the people, because me want to play, you know what I mean? Based on tour, this girl I say I know, you know what I mean? In the end, she said, okay, so they're on the ship or she there. The ship that she on. I understand, she said the ship that can let her for God, Dominican Republic, which she said Dominican Republic have a hike in this virus thing, over 1,000 cases over there right now. And the problem is, I'm not going to blame Mr. Holness for what he did. You know what I mean? I appreciate the fact and what Mr. Holness did in securing the safety of Jamaican citizens. Because what this girl may not understand or know what go on. See, right now, over 4,000 persons who travel into the island during this time when Mr. Owens they tell people to report to this and do them quarantine and check in this, they not do it. So over 4,000 people they are in Jamaica right now who can have this virus and been spreading it, who travel from overseas and come back into the country. You know what I mean? So people who say they might do quarantine, remember they don't have police. When they have these people and say they might do quarantine, they don't have police there at every house again and I watch people. We have to understand that. So the good have to suffer for the bad in certain situations like this. We are having a pandemic where it's crazy right now. You know what I mean? It's really crazy, and we have to secure our people and with the little resources that we got. You know what I mean? So in the end, for this girl, what me that suggest I do, stay on the ship, stay in your cabin, stay away until things can be better and you can come back home. But for now, Mr. Owens does the right thing. We can't afford to run this risk because we see we done the Jamaica local country, we look one with Talawa and we was there before and the people and just come in and then broke down. You understand, people? So we have to secure our thing. We understand the pain that she a go through, we understand how the cry when she a go through, we understand everything. When our family there at Jamaica, me a wait on her and them something there and everything. But in the end, we have to think about ourselves and our people. You know what I mean? So we just see with the situation where girl over China did a cry out the same way and what, you know what I mean? I honestly I don't blame Mr. Owens. I can't, people. I can't. So I'm not really going to ever play no more of that voice recording, people, you know what I mean? But in the end, I thought from my perspective, he does the right thing. You know what I mean? He does the right thing. Good job here. So you don't know anything about my viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. If there's any question or anything you want to know, you can just leave it in the comment or any suggestion. If you think NEWLINK did you say the right thing, you can put it in the comment section. But don't cuss me though, because I don't like you cussing in there. You understand, people? So I need not blast, not attack. But that's a good natural news, not attack. From when NEWLINK you do not attack, I do attack. When I do attack, not really not attack. You take it easy, man. You don't know. COVID-19. Protect yourself. You understand? Protect yourself. Quarantine. Stay inside. Please stay inside. If you don't really have emergency and if you go outside, stand in your yard. Stay in your house and enjoy. Watch some Netflix. Watch some YouTube video. Watch some NEWLINK production. Man, come watch video NEWLINK about what hours of video. You just go and watch video, man. Watch video, man. Watch NEWLINK. And watch the ads them too on the video, you know. Yeah, man. Watch the ads them. Nobody skip the ads them. Watch out the ads them, man. Watch them all. You don't know anything of people. Big up. Peace out. Respect. Attack them.